Hey everyone, today we're doing an unboxing of a Huawei MatePad Air. Now, I just want to point out that the packaging is really nicely done, very professional. And it should be for the cost. I think it's a few $100s less than the AirPad Air. So let's go ahead and see what it comes with. And furthermore, we're going to do a setup. So we get to the usage part and you can see how it really looks like when you're using it. Now, I just want to point out that this was purchased in China, so everything is going to be in Chinese. But Huawei MatePads can be converted to English and several other languages. So for the time being, let's just enjoy the ASMR. Now, if the screen looks a little bit flat and not shiny, it's because this particular model is the matte screen version, which is actually more expensive. Okay, can you just take off the sleeve already, please? Now you have to remember, this is the MatePad Air, so it is very sleek and very slim and very light. Now let me go ahead and give you some of the specs. It's 11.5 inches. It comes with a 13 megapixel camera, and then it's either 8 or 12 gigabyte RAM. Now, you do have to remember that this is not an Android or iOS system. It's called Harmony OS 3.1. Now, for some of you nerds, let me just say it's a 13 megapixel camera, LED flash, and 4K at 30 FPS, 1080p at 30 FPS. Now, that's for the main camera. For the selfie camera on the front side, it would be 8 megapixels and 1080p at 30 FPS. And like I said, we chose to have the matte display rather than the shiny display. The shiny display might look better on camera, but then for your eyes, it's always better to have the matte. Yes, it does come with stereo speakers, 4 of them, but as far as I've seen, the reviews haven't been so great, but they're also not bad. No 3.5 millimeter jack if that's something that you're looking for. Alright, as far as Wi-Fi, it's 802.11 dual band. Yes, Bluetooth, of course, 5.2. A2DP LE. Positioning, GPS, GLONASS, BDS, GALILEO, QZSS. Do you know what that means? Well, if you don't, then don't worry about it. So, instead of being impatient, let's go ahead and just see how long in real time it takes to put in all your information and get the whole dang thing going. I'll spit out some other stuff. NFC, no. Radio, no. USB, it has a USB Type-C 3.2 OTG magnetic sensory connector. Some of the features for the sensors is accelerometer, gyro, compass, proximity. Quote unquote accessories only. Alright, battery. LiPo 8300 mAh, non-removable. And then charging is 40W wired, 10W reverse wired, comes with a 66 watt charger. And so with all new devices, it's going to take a little bit of time. Put in your Wi-Fi, put in your account number. Like I said, this is Harmony OS, so it's not if you have a Google, Android, or if you've been on the iOS system, then it's going to take a little bit longer to start up. Okay, finally, we're getting started. We put in all the information. Now, this is officially your MatePad Air. Yeah, sensitivity tracking. This is where I should start putting in some clown music, make it go by faster. Okay, if you made it to this point, then you really want to get one of these little Huawei MatePad Airs. Take some time to put in your information. They keep asking for information. You know how it works. Doesn't matter if it's an Apple or Android. Yeah, maybe next time I'll edit it better. I'll cut out some of the stuff. Just want to remind you, it doesn't come with a pen. So, you can only draw with your fingers in the beginning, but yeah, you can buy one. A little demonstration with the camera. It's definitely not going to be able to compare with your phone camera, depending. I have an iPhone 15, 16, and 14, and it does not compare. But most of the time, you're not going to be using this to take pictures, or will you? Yes, audio recorder. And you know what? I think that's pretty much it. Now this Huawei MatePad Air is working. It's mine. I can go online. Pretty much it. If you have any questions or comments, please ask. I'm going to be testing it out for the next month or so. My first time buying a Huawei product. And we'll see. Huawei MatePad Air. Will it beat the Apple? We'll see.